doing, sexy boy? What my boy doing? Because you're kind of like want to get this. But where is your bone? Whose bone is this? May plano akong manood ng horror movie before going to bed. Magdamgo ko ba? Damanon ko ba ka managinip ako ng masama? So, Raminin. What are you doing, sexy boy? What my boy doing? You're so sexy, little man. What are you doing? You're so cute. You're so cute. What my baby bug doing? Hubs. Hey. Hey. Oh.
Huh?
Hi guys, good morning. Hindi na tayo magbibihis guys kasi today, well, hindi na ako magbihis kahapon. Ito pa rin yung suot ko kahapon. Pero if you've been watching my vlog, I'm always wearing the same thing over and over again. Parang masakit na sa Anyway, so, nanonood ako ng Simply Race. But, ay, nako. I like to watch Simply Race. But for some reason, there's a lot of people hating her. Not a lot, but meron pala. Bakit kaya? Bakit man? Uy, bakit? Ang bait naman ang tao yun kasi hindi ko kilala. Kitang-kita naman. Anyway, ba't ka sumusunod? Sumusunod sa galaw mo, sumusunod. Rock to rock. Okay. Bago yan, tignan natin tong mga box nito. Tignan nyo to. Tignan nyo yan. Tignan nyo yan, guys. Tignan nyo yan. Akala ya kung sino siya. Andun siya. Nakahiga. Nakahiga. Ito yung mga balls. Balik-balik, guys. Wala akong yung mga balls na sobrang dami. Balik-balik, guys. Balik-balik. Ano sa Tagalog yung balik-balik? Paulit-ulit na lang, guys. Yung mga balls ko. Yan. Pero wala naman akong problema, eh. Kahit paulit-ulit yan, basta ka-feel ko yung Christmas. Pero kung magkapira, ba't hindi naman bibili, di ba? Pero tignan natin kung anong meron. Kasi nakalimutan ko na. Kasi naghanap ako ng light. Yung light na ginagamit ko. Na para dito, ano ko, rumble ba? Katulad nito ba? You have to move. Hey, hey. Get down. Get down. Out. Get out. Out, baby. Out. Out. Tignan nyo, guys. Oh, hindi makinig. Out. Hey, out. Oh, ay, dun ako. Don't you dare do that to me, huh? Don't you? Get out. Pinangga naman ito ni mama, pero bad girl lang, bad girl. Bad girl mo, mahilig manakit ng kapuan niyang tao. Get out. Ay naku guys. Ganito ang ano ko guys, itong si Dimples hindi makinig. Get down. Down. Get down. Get down. Look. Tignan niyo, akala mo kung sino ko, ha? Akala mo kung sino ka, ha? Get down, baby. Okay, I'm gonna grab this, huh? I'm going to grab this. I'm going to grab this. I'm going to grab this, grab this. Tignan nyo, oh, ayaw talaga, guys, oh. Ayaw talaga, guys. Ay, naku, guys. Oh, tignan nyo, guys, oh. Oh, tignan nyo, oh. I'm a bad mama, right, bag? Yun, guys. So, ito yung mga bulak-bulak na itits. I know it's not Halloween yet. Wala pang Halloween nga eh. Nag-ano na tayo. Labas na tayo ng ganito. Kasi, gusto ko eh. Gusto ko ita eh. Binili ko to. $1 lang ito each. Sa dollar store. Marami namang dollar store dito. So, parang wala dito so. You guys, the light of my Christmas tree, you see some of the yellow lights? That means it's not working. So I put another light, a different kind of, it's a different kind of color. It's a blinker. So that's my Christmas light. So I think what I'm gonna do is get rid of the yellow because it's distraction. So I guess it's better just the thing instead of how the yellow light. This is all dollar stuff like this. This one is ordered Boo, that's the Boo Boo the cat, and there is another one like that. It's his Honey the dog. This one is a Linux. Yeah, ito dollar lang itinda nito. Merry Christmas. At saka yung mother-in-law ko, I don't know if you guys know, long time ago she gave me this Filipino maligayang Pasko thing. And mga ito, maganda din ito. Marami dyan, maraming ganito. Saka Bible, snowflake. Ito mga dollar lang ito guys, mga binili ko. Yung mga ornaments na round balls. Ito din, like a wine thing. And, meow, it's a cat pose. And then, ano pa ba? Ito, moon. At saka, ano pa bang meron? Star. Santa Claus face crystal. Ito. Hindi ko pa nilagyan ng star sa taas. Ito. Ano ito? Holy night. Oh, holy night. The stars are brightly shining. Ano pa ba? Oh, Christmas tree, crystal. At saka, ano pa ba? Ito, star din. That, ano pang meron dito? Reindeer. Is a reindeer, right? I think. Angel. And after this, guys, ano lang ako, mag-vacuum cleaning because tomorrow early, I need to leave here very early. I think I'm going to leave like 5 o'clock. Maybe 6. That means I have to get up early. So, kailangan kong magising ng sobrang aga kasi gusto ko makaalis ako dito 6 o'clock para naman yung asawa ko makapunta dito sa bahay early din. Yeah, so I guess hindi pa mo amoy abog-abog na ako, dust na kasi itong mga decoration na yan. Okay guys, tapusin ko lang ito guys at saka magmo-montage tayo, okay? Montage. Montage. Ang hirap pag maglagay ng Christmas light, di ba? Ay, nako, maraming tiga. Nalulubat na naman ako. Anyway, guys. So, guys, this is funny. I gave them bones, and then I cut it in half. So, I don't know who lost one, and then they're both, like, following me now, because they're kind of, like, want to get this. But, where is your bone? Whose bone is this? And then, where is the other bone? Where is it? Look, tignan nyo. Where is the other bone? No. But I don't know where's the other one. I don't know who. Oh, it's right here. I don't see it. Okay, eat that bone. Okay, that's it. They went crazy because I take one bone. It's just really funny. They follow me. Anyway, guys, I'm just gonna continue do my Christmas thingy and then my tingo. Ayun, guys. Hold on, guys. Para kakaiba kasi yung ano dito. Iba-iba ang color. Ito, one color only yellow. Itong sa pintuan. Doon. At saka, ang dito, kakaiba naman. Ay, nako. Umiiyak. Ba't umiiyak ka, Bag? Don't iyak-iyak yourself, Bag. You don't have to cry, Bag. So, hindi ko alam, guys, kung ano ba. Ito mas maganda ito, kay colorful, kaysa nito na yellow. Ay, nako. What are you crying for? It's Christmas tree, Bag. It's a Christmas tree, little man. Yes, baby. Nagmamanya-manya na naman ito, oy. Nagmamanya-manya na. Oh, don't step your brother, Roxy. What the heck, Roxy? Uy, nako, gayod na. Hi guys, 6 o'clock na, 6 o'clock. Hindi ko tinurn on ng ano. 6 o'clock na ng gabi, ng hapon pala. So, maliligo muna ako guys. Ligo muna, balikan ko kayo pagkatapos ko maligo. May plano ako manood ng horror movie before going to bed. Pero tignan lang natin guys, baka magdamgo ko ba? Damanon ko baka managinip ako ng masama. So, tignan natin. Gusto ko manood ng scary movie tonight after shower. Anyway, I'll be right back. Let's see what's going to happen next!
2 hours later.
I'm back! Christmas! It's really not good that it's different color. But I think it doesn't matter, you know, in what I'm saying right now. Sa nakikita ko ngayon, walang problema. Kahit magkaiba yung color niya. Simple lang naman guys, pero in person, it's kind of like very Christmassy right now. Hi guys, ano ba? Hold on. Basa pa yung buhok ko, so ayaw ko pang matulog. So, ang nangyari, nanonood ako. Sabi ko, manonood ako ng horror movie. So, type ako sa Amazon movie, horror movie. So, sa thumbnail pa lang, sa picture pa lang, guys. Takot na ako. Sa picture pa lang, guys, natakot na ako. So, I decided just find a love story movies and voila, there's a lot of them. So, oh my God. So, ay kailangan kong manonood ng horror movie with my husband. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna do that probably tomorrow night with him and my mother-in-law. So, tomorrow, I will tell Tommy to open an Amazon on my TV. And, yeah, so we're gonna do that. So, it's so scary, but so anyway guys, salamat sa panonood. Please give me a thumbs up guys, because it will, guys, honestly, thumbs up, it's good, it helps me, and also motivate me to keep making videos. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, good night guys. Akala ko lang yun, wala. Wala talaga. Guys, if you haven't been here, kung hindi pa kayo nakapunta dito sa US,